Now, let us open the cabinet door. This one is our laser source, and the following one is a water chiller. Finally, let's take a look at this small case, wire feeder. This is the control system. Wire feeder. Its function is to fill up the welding seam and make the welding stronger. This part is welding wire line. Its type is up to your welding material. It means if your material is stainless steel, the welding wire must be stainless steel too. That's all. Many thanks for your watch. Following us to watch more machines introduction. Bye bye.